drop a comment in the comment section, introduce yourself, I will reply back to you. And if you like the content that you're watching, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on those notification bells so you'll be notified every time I upload a video onto this channel. And everyone that's watching, I need y'all to hit that like button. The like button helps, grows the channel. It helps get the video out to more people. And YouTube sees how many times the like button is hit. It continues to promote the video. And of course, I would greatly appreciate that. Also, do stay tuned. I do have that giveaway going on. Once this channel hits 1.5k subs, I will be giving away a free pair of sneakers. Yep, I said it, a free pair of sneakers. So you must be subbed up to the channel and also sub up to my socials linked down below. And when that time comes, I will give further instructions on date and time when I will be giving away the pair of sneakers. Now today, we taking a look at the nikedunklows in the black and white colorway. These have been popping up all over the place in various colors. The comfort on these, they do fit true to size. So if you're interested in these, do get your normal size. Let's take a look at the box tag. It says Nike Dunk Low Retro Color White, Black, White, size 9.5. Price point is $100 US. Let's open the box top, take a look inside. We do have that lot stamp right here. Okay, box down, you have your standard white tissue paper. And let's get them out. Nike Dunklows in the black and white colorway. Yeah, I'm good on this sneaker. It's not that hot to me. I'm not a fan of the material on the sneaker. Let's get this other sneaker out. And let's take a look on the inside of the box. And we find a green and white stamp, a sticker per se. You know, the YDM sticker. And there is no YDM sticker in this box. Yes, guys, we have the Nike Dunk Low in the black and white colorway. It's a very simple sneaker, jumping right into it. But before we get into that, the fit on these normally run true to size. So if you're interested in buying these, you can go ahead and get your regular size. These do run true to size. You have black on your overlays, black swoosh. You got the white quarter panels and toe box. It's a decent grain of leather, but it's not the best. It's like Nike has scaled back this year on the leather for the dunks compared to the dunks that came out on last year. But this is what we get. Excuse me, this is what we get. Me personally, I passed on these. These are for a customer. I actually have to get these shipped out to the customer. Midsole, white midsole with the black at the very bottom. You do have that white threading in here. And look at your outsole. Standard Jordan 1 outsole or Nike Dunk outsole. The regular Nike Dunks and the Jordan 1 share the same outsole. All black outsole. Heel of the sneaker. On your heel badge, you have Nike stitched on in white lettering on top of that black leather. You have that white leather going around your ankle collar. And you have that black from your overlays as well. Looking to the medial side of the sneaker. Pretty much the same as the outside. The black on the overlays. Black Nike swoosh, all leather. Quarter panel. White midsole, black at the bottom. Looking at the toe box. Let's get that tissue out of here so we can get a true feel of what that toe box leather looks like. Excuse me. This is the tissue. They just stuffed some tissue in here. Now, hopefully you guys can make a decision determine on this. I'm trying to get you guys to see how the leather is on here. This is not a This is not the best leather we've had on dunks. Like I said earlier, if you have a pair of dunks from last year in 2020 that released, you can compare that to these. These are not the same. And they come with a different set of laces this time. They are flat, but it seems like some more. They're thinner and they look a little sleeker. You have your nylon tongue and your patch sewed on, black patch. Nike with the swoosh, and you got your two trademarks on here as well. Back here you got that, that message where it was produced and all of that good stuff, that message from Nike. You have a black sock liner, nylon sock liner. And you have a white insert, black Nike branding, and your sizing sticker. Sizing tag says size 9.5, production date October 15th of last year to December the 5th of last year. So that's about almost 2 months of production with these. So let me know what you think of the sneaker. These came out in all sorts of colors. They are still popping up randomly at your local store. So like I got this pair, I just walked into the store for another sneaker and bam, I saw this on display. So I was able to grab this sneaker and now it's off to the customer. So me, I'm not gonna get these for the toe, but like we tell y'all, rock what you like. And to wrap up this video, if you can help somebody get a sneaker, help them get their sneaker, because you never know when it will be your turn to need help getting a sneaker. I'm TitanicFeet Jack, signing out.